Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this Volvo. So to get to your OBD port, it's gonna be right under the steering wheel, right in here. That's your OBD port if you need to plug in the computer or for DQ. And to get to your first fuse box location, it'll be under the hood. Pop the hood. To open the hood, you have a latch right here. You just push on it and that comes up. Your first fuse box location is going to be right in here. To open it, you have to press on this, take this out. That's if you need to jump your car, I believe. And then you have another latch right here, right there, and right here, and that pops off. And there's your fuses right in here. This is a fuse puller. To get it out, you have to press on this. You just press on this and this comes off. That's to pull your fuses out. So to take the fuses out, you just press on it like this and it grabs just like that. To put it in, you can either do it by hand or put it in like this. Make sure you push it in, make sure all the way. Just like that. To put this back in, we line it up just like this. There it is. Your fuse box location is going to be right in here. To close it, you just line it up. Click right here, and right there. Nice and closed. And then line this up as well. And clicks, and this is closed. To get to your second one, it's going to be in the back. What you need to do is move the seat forward to get to access to the second one, and it's right in here. To open it, there's a knob right there. You press on it and that comes off, slides off, and there's your fuses. And this one, the location doesn't show on them, but most likely you'll have it on your manual book. They came with the car. To close it, just line it up. That'll be it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see if I can answer them. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.